For many, the holidays are all about family, spending time with those we love, sharing laughter, and creating memories that last a lifetime. It's not about the stuff we buy, but the moments we share. But what happened if you add some beautiful places that enhance more your memories? We will discuss some of the places you can visit in these holidays. But what's your favorite place in the world? Comment down. First up is Turkey. Walking through the streets of Istanbul and amazing street food, or going to the Antalya where you are flying through the landscapes in a hot air balloon. This can be the first place where you can add colors to your holidays. Compared to many other European destinations, Turkey is often more affordable in terms of accommodation, food, and attractions. Whether you're looking for luxury resorts, hotels, or guest houses, there are plenty of options to suit every budget. Second on the list we have for you is Maldives, where you have the world-class resorts, snorkeling in the beautiful water. It's an escape like no other. Known for luxury overwater bungalows, ideal for romantic getaways, it caters to both luxury and budget travelers and promotes ecotourism. Best visited from November to April. Ready for something exciting? Thailand is the next one. It is the home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world, like Lake Krabi and Phuket. Visitors can explore temples in Bangkok, relax on Phuket's beaches, and visit some mountains for the views. This country offers delicious food, vibrant street markets, and exciting nightlife, along with affordable travel options. Best visited between November and February for ideal holidays. Last but not least, let's talk about Greece. Known for its ancient history and stunning islands with beautiful views, this last one on the list can also be your perfect holiday destination. Best visited in spring and fall for pleasant weather. So, which of these incredible destinations will you choose this holiday season? Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, culture, or breathtaking beauty, Turkey, Maldives, Thailand, and Greece have something for everyone. Now, we want to hear from you. Which country would you love to visit this holiday season? Drop a comment below and let us know. The holidays are the perfect time to explore new places, create memories, and experience the world. So, pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Happy journey!